singer. So I got guessed. She had her baby. Yeah, she had her baby. It took not that long for her to have a baby. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some picture of the Sims pregnancy type thing. I took pictures of some of her belly, but not a lot. But yeah, I will show you. So yeah, that's some pictures I took, and I showed the house. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out because it was awesome. So I'm so happy to see these here so we can kill some of it. I don't want to kill Mom. I would rather kill him. I'm sorry, but like I haven't been doing nothing. Like, he's gonna be the maid, like the maid that knows everything. Wait, no, he's gonna be a yes. But it took a long time for that baby to come out, kind of. And I did cheat a little bit. I will say it. I did cheat. Okay, don't blame me. I only cheat now. Okay. Just to have the floor, everything, and this, and this. So, we hadn't seen the hails. There it is. There's a lot of stones. And I need to show you guys the paint. Let me show you this. Like, they're like musical, you know. Cool. I think it's so cool. I wanted the twins, but nope. Let me know if she's gonna be. I think she will be a good parent. You know, like she can take care of herself. She knows what she's doing. You know, she don't have a baby. You know, she doesn't have a baby before. I cannot talk today, so I am so sorry. I had the most. I was very busy in the morning. I went to the doctor this morning. They took some of my blood because I've been feeling dizzy and stuff. And yeah, that happened, and she gave me that, and it was so awkward because I was laughing. I was so awkward. I was like, I was cracking up. Like, I'm one of those people that laughs when they get their shot, or, you know, like when I get my shot, I laugh. I just crack up. Like, I'm so weird. Like, do you guys have that where you're just laughing and like you have shots? I get that. Like, I cannot help laughing. So yeah, I haven't been feeling as well. I have been feeling dizzy, lightheaded, don't know what's going on. So yeah, I'm So yeah, I've been really busy. I had to go to school. I couldn't eat this morning, so I drove. She's an alien. Yes. I could actually turn her into an alien. Sorry, I almost said my friend's name. Let's not do that. The bill. 607. Who do you think I am? I built this house. Okay. It's not cheap. That's for sure. Wait, where's the new box? Okay. Okay. Now she can final exercise. I do want to kill him. The guy. Cause he's always sad. He's looking. Oh, I need to write a note for her. You can do that? Wait, what? Goblin, I've gotta enter some kind of words of terms and conditions. I don't know, I like to kill myself. I never did this. We will. I got things. Your face. Okay. It's beautiful. Okay, so I said this. I'm happy that you died. We don't want to see your face. We're good! I'm confused. The dog is gonna bark. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay. No idea what. You can read it. He's probably gonna think it's so nice. Yep, that's what it says, honey. Tears. Cry. She's like, I've been done with her. I didn't like her. Oh, the baby's crying. What do you want? Shh. Quiet. Be quiet. Girl, you can move. No. This is why sometimes and you will see why. Sometimes when they keep going I just ooh. But yeah, breastfeed her or something. Girl, I really want to age this baby up, but I can't. Up! I don't see why. Using some cheats. Now feed, breastfeed, whatever you do. I don't see what's in the way. You can see what's in the way. Cause I don't. Is it just chairs? Like, I don't get it. This baby is going to die any second because your little butt won't take care of the baby. Look at this. Look, that's simple. She's a bad parent. Whoever votes for bad parent. Bad parent. No, don't give me that smile. Don't give me that smile. No, you put that into a frown. Be quiet. This is how I deal with babies. Just put them in the oven. Okay, where's the... Now let's make you sad. Ooh. Will she be gone? Will she? Yes, you better be quiet, babe. I'm so mad at her. I'm so mad at her. Sorry. That was like the most thing ever. Releasing singer solo. Are you Oh my gosh, there she goes. Did you guys see that? Wait, she better not be in the house. I'm gonna whip out the frying pan. Whoop him! That's what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe. And yeah, bye.